Hello everybody, today we are going to fix this strange music device. This week we will fix this old glory, my old 6th gen iPod Nano. As you saw, the screen is functioning, but not in the best shape, so we are going to replace it. I'm going to remove the screen, and since the adhesive is old, it's not holding very well. This is a good thing, because this allows me to easily remove the LCD. If your adhesive is still strong, you are going to need some hot air to soften it, but not too much or you'll risk to damage the screen. After opening the iPod, I've removed the old tape. Then we are going to remove the two screws in order to lift the shielding. Next step is to disconnect the two LCD cables, one for the screen and the second for the digitizer, the battery, and we are going to remove with some IPA the rest of the old adhesive. As you can see, this is the replacement part, but be careful when you buy it. You have to choose the one that includes the tape, because it will be easier to install. So, I'm now going to glue the fresh adhesive and test the new screen. Since everything looks right, I'm going to install the shield back, remove the protection from the tape, and, with some binder clips, apply some pressure to let the screen stick to it. After a few hours, you can remove everything, and your iPod will be as good as new. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week. But, in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.